Heart Evangelista or Catherine?
Heart.
Totoo, Heart or... Ayan, Heart Evangelista or Catherine Bernardo?
Catherine.
Catherine, ayan, nagbago. Catherine Bernardo or Jeneline Mercado? It's hot in here.
Alam mo, only because feeling ko magka-age kami range. Catherine.
Ayan, Catherine Bernardo or Kim Chu?
Mahirap naman ito. Naka-work ko na yung babaeng yun eh.
Ayan, may love.
Because naka-work ko na si Kim and I love Kimmy. Sobrang kalog. I wanna work with someone new. Catherine.
Catherine Bernardo or Bea Alonzo?
Catherine.
Catherine Bernardo or Julia Barret?
Catherine.
Catherine Bernardo or Maine Mendoza?
You know what? For hosting si Maine, pero for acting, Catherine.
So, Catherine. Catherine Bernardo or Nadine Lusta?
Alam mo, daya ng pagkakasunod-sunod mo ah.
Magaling ako magaling.
Catherine.
Ayun na nga. So, Catherine Bernardo, why Catherine?
I think, yung niya, yung skills niya as an actress is something to look forward to. Hello, love. I mean, I think that in itself, dun talaga ako na, like, I want to work with this actress one day.
Movie, it can be a movie because Kim Chu nakawork po
Yeah.
sa
So,
diba,
movie,
kahit
definitely
separate.
movie. Yeah.
And of course, Madame Tussauds, meron daw siyang ano doon.
Oo nga, achievement yun.
Yeah, diba?
Not everybody can do that.
Oh my God. Diba?
Let's make that happen.